aren't you looking beautiful? Looking very nice. What's your name? I'm Rob. What's your name? You don't say hello? You don't? You know, how about we go get something to eat or something to drink?
Off.
What? Damn, it's not that rude. I'm only here for 3 days. I wanted to see, you know, if I take somebody out, maybe a nice girl like you. It's on me. You don't gotta pay. I guarantee you, you'll have fun.
Ew.
What's the worst that can happen? What do you mean? What do you mean ill?
I'm waiting for somebody.
What do you mean ill? You mean Who are you waiting for?
Nanya.
What? Nanya? What's that mean? Do you not speak?
Not to you.
Oh, what? I just I'll get you like a margarita. How about that? I'm even saying it's on me.
How about not?
Alright, whatever.
Hello? Yeah.
I'll take it as a no. Okay.
Yeah, what are you wearing tonight? I have no clothes.
Go ahead, let me go ahead and get the car.
I'll be right back, sir.
Alright, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I wanted to run it just after you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. There you are.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
All right, thanks.
Nice car. Nice car.
Oh, thanks.
What's your name?
My name's Rob.
Hey.
What was your name? Oh, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So what do you say? I say you can get a refill of that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, even better. With some alcohol, maybe?
Maybe, yeah. Hey, you know, a few seconds ago, I was being rude. Sorry.
Oh, that's all right. I mean, what was the problem, though? What was the problem?
Hard day. I just spoke with my boyfriend like a couple days ago. Yeah, it's been real hectic for me. I didn't mean to be rude.
That's not an excuse, is it?
No, not an excuse at all.
Alrighty. Well, what do you say? You want to go for a ride?
Yeah, sure. Where do you want to go?
See, I know a pretty good spot. Yeah, I'll take you to. Alright. So, come with me. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me get something from the back.
Hi.
Wait, actually, can you hold this for a second?
Wait,
I know. I'll explain later. Hold on. Can you hold this for a second? It's chill. I gotta get something from the back. Yeah. Just hold on. Actually, you can go ahead and keep that because you're gonna be digging deep for the gold.
What?
And you're not coming in with me because I don't like gold diggers, by the way.
Wow.
All right. All right. I'll take that. I'll take that. You can keep the shovel. You can keep the shovel though. Oh, that's gonna leave a little bit more. So that's okay.